This is crazy, but what most people don't know is that during the 2008 economic crisis, I raised millions for the organization I launched and ran, and get this, never offered a fundraising event. What? How's that, you're thinking? Here's the deal. I focused on developing long-lasting relationships with those who had a deep passion toward the mission and the ability to make a significant difference. I put relationships before annual giving, event fundraising, mass mailings, and most everything else in fundraising. And it worked. What worked over 10 years ago still works today in securing large gifts. You want to be an accomplished fundraiser. In order to do that, you need a way to secure large gifts beyond event fundraising and beyond this crisis. The problem is you don't have a plan, which makes you feel ill-equipped and prepared, especially right now in these unstable times. I believe you want to be confident, comfortable, and successful securing large gifts so you can contribute to work that matters. I understand and care about you as a fundraiser for a small nonprofit, which is why I'm offering my course, Your Ultimate Guide to Major Gift Fundraising. With Major Gift Fundraising, you become less dependent on fundraising events and raise more money. Let me guide you in how to make major gift fundraising work for you now, and when the crisis is in our rearview mirror. Registration is now open for a limited time, so hurry. Get signed up right here, right now, today. All you need to do is click the link here, sign up, and start raising money. Don't miss this opportunity to raise the funds you need for your organization. I want to see you in the course.